Hi guys, this is Geoffrey. Please welcome to my channel again. It's been some time since we last I last appeared or made such a content. Today I want to take you through my work, what I've been doing past few weeks. I haven't been showcasing what I've been doing, and for some reasons I'm working currently on a project. As you can see here, been making aluminum sliding windows. So I want to take you there. We've been installing them, and my foodies have been so busy working on them to see that they come out the way is good for our client. So currently my names are Geoffrey Masika. Geoffrey Masika, but my YouTube channel is called Pizon Alu-glaze. For those who haven't subscribed currently, I beg you, I urge you, or I ask you in God's name, please subscribe to my channel, like them and share them. Those who may want to know or reach out to me. So for those who may want to contact me directly, please get to me through +254 711 208625. Let me repeat again, +254 711 208625. Thank you so much, guys. So let me take you around what we have been able to do the past few days. As you can see, if you watched my previous video, I had installed these windows. As you can see, we have this is the fixed glass area, then this one the fixed glass area. You can come close and maybe show them the joinery. You can see the joints. So they are very good, so seamless, very smart. The profiles have met at 45 degrees, as you can see, and inside here, as you can see inside here, they are not at 90 degrees, they are at that 2 degrees, whereby the bottom bedding is straight, but now the one that is vertical is at that 2 degrees. So as you can see, it's already screwed. What we are waiting now, we are waiting for glasses to come. After they come, we will have to install. Then here is where the sliding panels would be. The sliding panels in the middle here, we shall have a fixed one. When I say a fixed one, it means that that frame, that panel, that will not be moving. But this one, on the side, on this side, they shall be moving around. So, so let me move your paper around. Again, as you can see, we have already installed this one already, waiting for glasses. This one is just a film of paper that was used to protect the profile while on transit, so that it doesn't get scratches. So after we have installed everything, is when we shall come back and now try to remove all of this paper. Remove them like this. Then shall be now white. You can see we have already installed them, just waiting to be installed with glass. So this one can take you around. You can also see the first floor area. Also the frames are inside. As you come once you're through this one, the panels are down there waiting to be milled. Here are 2 panels, full, doesn't have a fixed glass down here, just a full glass, or full panel. Then same thing here, shall be pouring glass. We're going to put in order so that they be prepared. So the kind of glass that we are going to use here shall be laminated glass. So when I say laminated glass, for those who know or who have seen the windscreen, so laminated glass is that glass when it is hit, it doesn't shatter in pieces. It remains there, waiting for you to come and replace it. So it will be there, and at that time you get your money to buy another one to come and replace. But for the normal glass, which is not laminated, when it hits, it means it shall pour, it shall shatter in pieces. That means that you have to immediately go to the shop, purchase another glass to come and put it back. Then the advantages of a laminated glass is that laminated glass has a lot of it's more safe. When it is hit and it shatters, it doesn't necessarily fall into pieces, which means when it doesn't fall, it means it has less harm. But with the normal glass, which is not laminated, when it shatters and finds you there, or you step on it, it will cut you. So that's how we have some time waiting for my plant to himself ready. So here it's a wider space, and we decided to make it into two, because if we would have made let me say one panel, it would be too large. You can see from there to this side. So we decided to break it so that vibration of the frame won't be there. That's why you can see that it's very strong, very strong. But if it would have been one, actually there would be a lot of vibration. Then up there, you see, we shall do the same here down as we have done down here. We shall do the same, and also we shall be able to put an arc up there. We shall cut a curved a curved glass to install there. Guys, this is for now it's our workshop, though it's a kitchen area. You can see this is a curtain walling. This big large frame. This large frame we shall mount it up there. We shall mount it up here. We shall mount it up there. Yeah, that frame shall be coming here. We shall be when you are outside, you will not be able to see. You won't be able to see any frame. It will be only glass. So you see frame while you are inside, but when you are out, you won't be able to see glass. So you'll only be seeing glass that are meeting at butt joint. So that's how we are preparing this. Now you see this panel. This panel, that's the sliding panels. As you can see, we haven't installed them anywhere. We want to do the milling, that to ensure that we put locks. So it's only that we don't have electricity now, but once it's back, we shall be able to mill blocks using this machine. This is the rotor. You see, we don't have electricity now. This one is the one that is used to mill holes for locks. Do you have any locks here, Mr. Ma?
No.
Yeah. So after that, we shall it shall be fitted with locks. After fitting it with locks, that's when we shall glaze them while down here. Then they will come out of here when it's already glazed. Wakati kioo kitakuwa kimewekwa ndani, that's when it will be moved to the frame. So that's what is here. As you can see, they are lying here. We don't have electricity now. There's been recently there's been a lot of blackouts. I think it's because of the heavy rains that we are just here waiting for the video. We don't know when it's going to come back. So guys, this is what we are trying to work on, preparing. Shoka, how are you? I can't hear you. Okay. Guys, this is my friend, one of my guys who are supporting me to work this. They have the expertise for fitting these aluminium frames. Maybe you can tell them your names.
Yes, I'm Ezekiel Willie. I'm a technician.
Yeah.
Max. Yeah. I normally do all the aluminium ones with my senior here. And as you have seen, the job is well done.
Yeah.
Things are moving on well. Yeah, and I've seen already some windows have been fixed here. So glasses.
Yeah.
Continue. So things are right. Job is well done.
Okay. That's so nice of you. Let us continue showcasing and showing them a bit of some things here. So thank you so much, Mr. Willie. Thank you. Yeah. Maybe you should bring the cameras down here for the class to see. You see this joint? So seamless. Things so nice, yeah. See that joint here? So nice. Nicely fit. So we shall, after putting any glass, this one shall form a rubber. So you shall find that now the work will be coming out so nicely. Yeah, so nicely, guys. So thank you so much for those who have watched my video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. This is Masika. Our name here is Piece of alu-glaze. Kindly subscribe and like them and share. God bless you so much. Even as I watch this, I know you're going to contact us soon. If you have such a project, we shall be more than ready and willing to work for you, same kind of work. I normally do this kind of work, these sliding windows. Then I normally do swing doors, openable doors. Then those who may want curtain walling. Curtain walling is those houses, you see, large houses, story houses that are normally with you only see glass. It means that you have mounted glass on the walls. Yeah, so that's what we normally do. We normally do like that. Hey, how are you, Enzo? Show them my friend here. How are you? Can you talk to my friends? He likes me a lot. When he sees me around, he comes, he hugs me. Yeah, this is what he does. How are you? He likes me a lot. This guy is called Enzo. I wish you could be able to talk. I know he understands. He understands. Only that he cannot talk our language. But so friendly, so good. How are you? Okay, so guys, be sure to subscribe. For those who may want to contact me, please contact me through +254 711 2086. Maybe I would like to meet you. Can you meet me? Yeah, he's called Enzo. So it's nice of him. You can see he likes being close to me. So thank you so much. God bless you so much.